How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Now, being that it's a brand new year, I wanted to do kind of a recap of going over my favorite products that I personally reviewed in 2018. Now, I didn't review a crazy amount of products, but there was a few that I personally really did like. Although most of these I don't own, I wish I owned them, but just having the opportunity to try them out, play with them for a while, just made me kind of really fall for those and wanted to get them. So in this video, I'm just gonna go over the products that I personally liked, but also want to hear from you guys before we jump into mine. What was your favorite products that you either own or you've tasted in 2018? Let me know down there in the comments below. As for the first product, and that is going to be a gaming mouse. Now, I reviewed over 11 gaming mice in 2018. It's not a crazy amount, but I did find that the Razer Mamba Elite was my favorite mouse of 2018. Still a Razer product, so you do pay a bit more for that, but otherwise it performs really well. It has awesome accuracy with Razer's 5G optical sensor. It really feels good in your hand. It's great quality. It looks superb, like always. Razer products just look awesome. Kind of always say they're like the gaming division of Apple because they make good quality products. It looks fantastic. Sometimes it's a bit pricey, but it does perform and really gives you that satisfaction. Now, next up, we have gaming headsets, and I didn't really review a lot of gaming headsets in 2018, but I found that probably the most recent one that I've reviewed, also from Razer, and that is the Razer Nari wireless. Now, Razer did announce the Nari Ultimate, I believe, which was the higher end one with the haptic feedback that you can actually feel the bass and so on. But I just had the normal Nari, still wireless and everything, to review, and that was just really awesome. Sounds amazing. It was really comfortable, and being wireless, it was just being able to move around freely, still having a decent amount of battery life, nothing too crazy. That's still a problem with like 2.5 gigahertz wireless gaming headsets. Battery life it's not really that great, but otherwise it performed really well. The only thing that I didn't really like about it was that you couldn't really adjust the size of the ear cups, or the height of the ear cups was fixed in only one position, and that did kind of cause it to fall off really quickly or hang lower than what I would have wanted. But still, overall, a really awesome headset. Then next up for keyboards, I reviewed around 16 different gaming keyboards in 2018. But to my surprise, the one that I actually enjoyed the most wasn't technically a gaming keyboard. You can still use it for gaming, but it was the Ducky One Midnight Edition that I reviewed. So that one, just the quality out of that keyboard just was amazing. It doesn't have any of these gaming aesthetics with like RGB, although you do get the RGB version, but it doesn't have any of the like volume controls, RGB around the side or underneath that we see nowadays, USB pass-throughs or audio pass-throughs. Doesn't have anything like that. It's just a really good quality solid keyboard with PBT keycaps, really good quality cherry mix switches, and it just feels damn awesome. If you have used a Ducky keyboard before, you would know what I'm talking about. It's just an awesome product. Now, they do have, like, again, the RGB version, if you want to go for that. I think that might be something I have to go for when buying a new keyboard, because damn, all of the pictures that I see online with the RGB versions as well, it just looks awesome. So, yeah. And for the next product, it's not really something that you would always say is like your favorite product or the best product that you bought, but it just really makes one of your builds stand out completely. Now, I'm not talking about my Corsair LL series of fans. They do still look awesome, but unfortunately I didn't review them in 2018, otherwise they would be on top all the way. You guys always see it in my build on my system back there, it just looks awesome. But the new product that I'm talking about is also from Corsair, and that is their new Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro memory. Now, they did previously have just their Vengeance RGB, but they didn't have the individually addressable RGBs, which kind of just gave you one color, which was it was still cool, but it was kind of a bit boring at the same time. But if I remember right, back at Computex 2018, they announced or released their new Vengeance Pro RGB memory. That is, again, fully addressable, and damn it still also just looks awesome. Now you can actually install them into your system, and it's just going to light up and look crazy awesome. Now, like I said before, you don't really always say or notice that it's like a really awesome product until you don't really have it in your system anymore. So if you have had RGB memory in your system and you've taken it away, it just kind of looks dead. So that's also one of my favorite products of 2018. Now, unfortunately, in 2018, I didn't really review a lot of laptops. I've used a bunch of them, but I didn't really review a lot of them. But from all of these that I've used and seen, my favorite one so far has to be the Gigabyte Aero 15X with the 6-core i7 and then also the 144Hz display. It's pretty much still the exact same laptop as the previous Aero 15X, but now beefier CPU and a higher refresh rate monitor, which was awesome. I took that along with me to Computex 2018 to edit all of my videos in 4K and everything, and it was just a beast to handle all of that footage. And because it's so thin and light, it made traveling just a breeze as well. So from all of them, that was kind of my favorite one. But now getting into my favorite build, and this one was actually for a friend. He bought off the products, lent it to me so I can actually build it for him. And although it completely changed after a while, new parts and everything, my favorite build of 2018 has to be my first Mini-ITX build. So it was in a Fantex case, Evo ITX case, small system, everything, not completely tiny, but it looked really cool. Originally, it had a GTX 1060 Strix, but after a while, he upgraded it to a GTX 1080 Ti. And because of the temperatures in such a small case, he didn't have a blower style. He had the Sniper Galax, I believe. Then he got a water cooling kit for the 1080 Ti, water cooled it. So yeah, that was kind of a mission. And then he got a new water cooling like AIO for it as well. So it was kind of quite a big upgrade after a while for the system, and it really looked awesome. So yeah, that was kind of my favorite build of 2018. And then for our next product, this is something that I didn't really think I would like as much as I do now. Now, it's kind of stupid, but it is Corsair's ST100 headphone stand. Now, it's a headphone stand, but it does also have 2 USB 3.0 ports. It has RGB, most importantly, and then also it has an mic and audio combo jack. So it's kind of like a 3-in-1 that you can use for multiple amount of stuff. If you want to connect your wireless headset to that and rest it on top as well, you can do that, or connect it straight into the combo audio jack. You can connect all of your like keyboards and mice, everything to the USB ports or external hard drive. It works and it's just really handy. Again, it's a stupid product, but I use it every single day. So it's expensive, but I just really like the thing. I'm really lazy to stretch all the way over to connect these things either to the back of my computer or to the top. So I just connect it to the headphone stand and it's easy. So yeah, that was probably one of the products that I use the most and I really like. So that is pretty much it for some of my favorite reviews and videos that I did in 2018. Now, there's still a bunch of other products that I did, which was really cool. It's just these ones kind of, I really like them, so I wanted to mention it with you guys. But hopefully in 2019, there's going to be a bunch more that I can do. I really want to do like more peripherals, headsets, didn't really do a lot of them. want to do more builds, and then keyboard, mice, just everything. I want to do a bunch more of videos for you guys. So if you guys did enjoy 2018 of my videos, please let me know down in the comments below. Also, again, you guys have any products that you really liked in 2018, let me know down there. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment like always. And then I will check all of you next time. Cheers, guys.